Need to use the medication app on your Apple Watch to take pills on time? By using this app, you'll never miss a dose again. In this video, I'll show you how to use the medication app on Apple Watch. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Grab your iPhone, open up the Health app, tap the Browse tab from the bottom right corner. Now, scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Medications. Now, add a medication. Give a name here, like paracetamol. Tap Next. Now select common forms like tablets. Then tap Next. Add strength like 5005s. And then select a unit like mg or mcg. And then again tap Next. Now set a schedule like days, times, and you can set an end date as well. Tap Next again. Here you can select a shape. Tap Next. Choose shape, color, and then tap Next. And finally, tap Done. Now look at your watch. Open the medication app. It looks like a tablet icon. And here you can see the medication log that you added now. If you tap on it, you can see all the information you added a few seconds ago. And this is how you can use the medication app on your Apple Watch. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then drop a like, and if you have anything to ask, then let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and goodbye for today.